with a trim tool. We're going to take the piece off here for the handle. See if you can just grab it. Pull that plastic forward. There's 2 Phillips screws in there. We're going to move this plastic piece up here. So it's just a trim tool, slide it, a little blue clip comes undone. Now we're going to take the trim piece off on the inner handle. So just the plastic trim tool, push it in there. It should come right out. Phillips screwdriver. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to lift the master switch up. And disconnect it. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to start to unpop the door panel pins. Bring my hand all the way down. Should be able to just grab it, lift it up. Now we have the inner door handle cable attachment. So this is pretty easy. Here are the 2 locations for those. So you have that 3-stage, just push it right in. I like to use a razor with a handle on it, and then I'm going to pull this vapor barrier off, but I want to reuse it, so I'm going to try to just slice the sticky paste black. So you're going to run into trouble pulling that vapor all the way off, so you have to undo the electrical connector that goes to the latch. Then you can work your way the rest of the way around. You're going to have to pull the inside door handle and cables through the slot. And the same with that harness. That way you can set this aside. You have 3 mounting bolts for the door latch, and it's a T30. And we're going to break those free. Now I can put my hand on the inside, and I'm going to grab that, see if I can pull that through. Okay, so this bolt has to come out. There's a window guide, and it is wedged in there, so 10mm socket. Nothing wants to let go. So we have to transfer over the inner door handle cables. Pretty easy, flat handle screwdriver. Just pop this up like that, bring it to that spot. Now I'm just going to automatically transfer it over while I'm doing it. So we have to undo this cover. Easier said than done. There we go. So it has a Z form. So it goes right into that tab like that, lays it down, guide that up, snap it down in. New cover goes over and snaps into place. So on the old latch and the new latch, you have the slot that holds the outside door handle in its place. Just make sure those little piton stars are lined up the correct way. Makes it a little less frustrating. So I'm just going to guide this through. Grab that window regulator. And line up those 3 mounting bolt holes. So when you install the new latch, make sure you put the rod from the outside handle into this spot right here. So you got to guide it into that before you mount it up. So let's see if I can. Maybe if you pull on the outside handle. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Now you can put the outside screws on. Definitely you want to start these by hand. You don't want any cross threading. Then reline that regulator up. There we go. With the T30, we're going to seat these before we really tighten it up. See how they have a nice tapered seat to them. I'm going to make sure they're all in place. So hopefully you didn't make a mess like this. But we're going to fish the wires back through. There you go. So we have to find the cutout for the door handle. I'm going to go with this right up here. I've got a wiring harness here that goes there. Now you can hook your door latch in. Follow this down. So now I'm going to take the door panel, put it back on. That's the main switch, but we're going to guide this through, get it to snap in again. That main window switch, go up on the top there, slide that in place. Push that down, and then you can go pop it in all the way around. I'm going to put the door handle screw back in first. Then I'm going to put the 2 mounting bolts for the main handle. Grab the main switch, let's hook it up. So we're going to go, has a front clip and a back hook. So we're going to go into the back side of the handle first, then push it down. Same with this, we're going to line it up. We have 2 hooks on the bottom, 2 hooks on the top. Same with the inside. There you go. The mirror trim, last one, pretty easy.